I originally did another intro for this video, but I changed my mind midway through the video. This was originally going to be a transformation video, and it was going to be a 2 to 3 hour transformation. However, this quickly turned into a nice self-care afternoon, which I needed more than I thought. So that is what we are doing today. We're doing my hair, which you can already see, but please continue to see what I think of this dye. I also did a self-tanner and some face items. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this. All right, so it's probably gonna be a little bit echoey in here because I am in the bathroom. I am gonna use this product that was sent to me. It is called All About Curls. So this was sent to me in an influencer box, and yeah, I thought I'd give it a shot since it's time to dye my hair. And they sent it to me in 4N, which is Chestnut Ringlets. It came with everything. It has the toner, the color, a curl quench after color conditioner, bowl, gloves, and a little brush. So wish me luck. It does come with a prep and protect serum for dead ends if you have that, which I don't think mine are, but I'll double check, and if they are, I'll put this on first. It's gonna, there we go. So it is all up in there. I do have to say that my hair is very thick and coarse, but not too coarse. I don't know how to explain it. But texture wise, it's a little bit more coarse, so it really like absorbs everything. And I would probably get 2 boxes, not just 1 box. And my hair is medium length, so keep that in mind so far, because I was running low. I was like scrimping and just really digging into the bowl. So now I have to wait 45 minutes, and while that is going on, I am gonna do some masks. Alright, it has been 10 minutes. The lip one fell off. It was very annoying. Oh, that feels so good. I love doing face masks. And then of course, don't forget to get all the, there it is, the good stuff into the skin. This is also a good time to, if you have one, use your roller, or I can never remember the name of this, but oh my gosh, it feels so good. So I may just look up a video really quick and do this. I was thinking about painting my nails, but I think I'd rather do this today. So let me do that. Alright, that was just a really quick video on it, and that felt really good. I'm sure there's more videos, and I would like to look into that. This, I don't know what this does, but it feels so good. I like to use this normally when I'm done with my face wash routine, and I have my moisturizer on, and I just like to use this to really make sure that the moisturizer is in my skin. So I haven't done that yet. I'm just using it just because I like the feeling of it. I like to do the small one under the eye. So I'll probably do that again afterward. And another thing that I like to do to really do a transformation is shave my face. So if you've never shaved your face, what are you doing? Because I think this really helps your makeup to just look flawless. So my favorite brand are the Tinkle razors, and I just get these on Amazon. Okay, so it's almost been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and exfoliate, shave, do all that stuff so that I can then do some self-tanner. So I'll be right back. Okay, so while I was in the shower, I did use my Clarisonic and my CeraVe face wash. I just like to use that to do a nice clean, make sure that my skin is exfoliated completely, whatever the Tinkle razor missed from exfoliating, this gets. And then I use Rodan Fields to really wash my face. So now that I'm out, I did put lotion on. I used Pure Wonder Bath and Body Works. I just had this here in my my bathroom. So I put that on my hands, my knees, my ankles, elbows, all the rough spots. I'm going to finish my face routine, and then I'm going to go ahead and start putting on my self tanner. And I'm not going to film that just because I don't want anything to slip. So we'll see you when I'm all tan. Okay, so self tanner is on. I did do my face, and now I'm just going to do my hair. Okay, so let me zoom you in so you can see my hair, because wow. So you can see my roots. I mean, this color really took. I wouldn't say this is chestnut though. To me, this is more of a dark brown, almost black, but a very, very dark, dark brown. But oh my gosh, it covered my roots, covered my grays, and I had a lot of grays. I'm very impressed, and it feels very hydrated, and look at how glossy it is. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I really like this. I think that this is an A+ dye job personally, and I usually use one from Sally's. I cannot remember the name of it right now. I'll go ahead and link it in the comments or in the description bar so you can see what color I normally use. But I'm impressed. And like I said, it feels very hydrated and soft and just very smooth. So I really like it. Thank you for coming along on this journey of just a nice self-care, basically afternoon. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally did. It was very relaxing. Even though I was recording, I felt very much relaxed. So I appreciate that. All the items I used today will be listed down in the description bar. I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are and find time for self-care, please. I will see you next time. Bye.